Hey guys, what's up? What's up, what's up?
My name is YT.
Get out there.
Alright.
What? What? What?
Why did I get out?
Oh my god! Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up? What?
This is the last video, of course.
Yeah.
Bang!
I have wait. You
Yo!
can turn your diamond into dirt. Look.
Oh shoot! Now let's get to the tutorial.
Let's get to the video.
Yeah, to the video. So as you can see from the thumbnail and the title is Pie Face. Hashtag, I didn't copy this from Mr. Crayfish. You can see, well actually the idea is from Mr. Crayfish, and look at that, it's different. See? And yeah. So yeah.
Let's get to survival.
And test this out. So yeah guys, we're back and we're in survival mode.
Oh yeah.
And then let's test out my Pie Face, not Mr. Crayfish. This is what's his
First.
his idea. Oh my.
You first.
What did I get? 8 dead. Oh my gosh, something is missing. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, so this gives you pie. This gives you pie and then push you off the edge. See?
Why didn't it close though?
This is much different
Why
than
didn't
Mr.
it close?
Crayfish. You just,
Is it always like this?
just press this. See? And then it's your turn.
Okay. I
got.
8.
Oh, yo. You did. You did. Haha.
2, 3.
Bang, you did. So basically, it gives you pie.
Bye bye my life.
So this gives you pie.
I'm still alive.
So that is our demonstration. So let's go right into the tutorial. You say alright again.
Alright.
Nice one. Okay, so the items you will need is redstone dust, redstone torch, sticky piston, hopper, dropper, stone button, redstone comparator, blocks of quartz, and redstone lamps. Let's not forget about our most famous redstone repeater. Our most famous redstone repeater. Let's switch this out with the dropper. Okay, so first things first, you guys. First things first, you're gonna make a block of something, and then okay, sorry about that. And then you will put a piston over here for what block that you dropped here. So oh yeah. Okay, and then put a block, and then your hopper. Just drive your hopper around. You know? Rock on my boy. Is this recording? Okay, so
Where are you?
I'm here.
There you are.
So you're just gonna do this. I mean, you know, how many, you know what? How many hoppers will you put? That's yours. So yeah, how many hoppers? How many up? Sorry about that. It's pretty noisy here. And then you will put a redstone torch next to the lamp, and then redstone dust in all of the hoppers. Yeah. So here we go. Let's just put them over here. And for just an example, we're gonna put a yeah. You know what? Yeah. So once you have that, you will need this. You will need to power this redstone to power that, and then this. Oh, so your comparator, you can set your comparator in every. So for example, you're just gonna put it here, and then you'll need a redstone repeater, and you need this. Okay, basically it's done, but it's not done. Yeah.
How does that work?
Yeah.
Done, but it's not.
So we're just gonna need this diamond sword. So we need to sacrifice a diamond sword for you. So yeah. So basically, I'm gonna show you. Oh, you need a button. Okay. So once this is on, I mean, the redstone sword will travel there, right? Yeah, the redstone sword will travel. Okay, see there? Okay, here we go. What the heck? I have failed. Oh yeah, here we go. So, what the heck? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, so here basically that's done. So dig 2 blocks deep, and if you wanna copy that one, you'll just go just go more, and then this is just the basic thing. So yeah, so we're gonna do is dig 2 blocks straight until you see it here. Oh, sorry. Put it over here. You have there. There's no way that you can jump from here. You don't want to do that, right? You want it the fun way, right? So what you do, you just put a sticky piston. What the heck? A sticky piston over here. Just place it like that. Okay, but you don't want it like this, right? Rocco, my boy.
Yeah, Rocco, my boy.
If you know what I'm referring to, just comment down below. Okay, so yeah, you need to go here, and then boom, the piston will push you, and then you will go down. That's it. But wait, you need to have pie, right? So that's where the dropper comes in. So what the f? Why is there llamas here?
Nothing.
Okay, you're gonna put. What the heck?
Don't kill the llama.
Okay, so sorry about those llamas. Are stupid. Oh my gosh, why are there still llamas here? Okay.
It's just a horde of llamas. Do you want me to bring the leader to you?
No, please.
I will bring the leader.
Now, so yeah.
Come, leader.
Oh hey!
Oh no.
You stop it.
Unleash the leader.
Stop it. There's too much llamas. There's too much
Let's
llamas.
regroup. We shall regroup.
There's too much llamas.
Let us regroup, leader Llama leader. Let us go.
Those llamas don't need you.
They have a leader now.
I'm sure. Those. Oh my gosh. What did I do there? What did I just do? Okay, so once you have that, so that's why we have this one. So my brother just spawned so much llamas. So you want the piston, right? So here, you're just gonna dig this. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna put on redstone. Oh, that's wrong. We're gonna put redstone dust all over. Okay, make sure. And this is the pretty easy part. So basically, you're wasting too much repeaters here. That's what I did, and that's what I did. I wasted. Oh, what the? Oh, oh yeah. So you basically waste too much repeaters. Get away, llama! Okay, you waste too much repeaters. Oh my gosh, there are 2 llamas.
Oh, 2 llamas.
No,
okay.
too many llamas. You get that? You get the llamas away from me.
No. My little llamas gonna stay here with their group leader.
No.
Go, group leader. Go.
What the F are you
Lead
doing?
them.
So
Lead
sorry
them
guys
on.
for the catastrophe that Rich done because of the llamas.
Llamas forever.
So basically you're just gonna sleep. Whoa.
I'm just gonna.
So you're just gonna do this. And then
just gonna go
you're
to our
basically done. So we're gonna put 1. Oh, you're not done. Okay. Then you go here. And it pushes you. See? So I didn't copy Mr. Crayfish for that. It's super dark. What the?
Merong
What the?
pwedeng gawing tatlong.
What the? Oh, yeah, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So, you need to, yeah. Oh my gosh! Ah!
Why?
You get that llamas away from me.
But I'm sleeping. Interrupt my sleeping, girl. I am technically.
You get that llamas.
Alright.
Yo, llamas, what are you looking to me? What are you looking at?
The llamas went all the way to the house, by the way.
No. I'm gonna take out this lead.
Wait.
I take out this lead. I
The
take off
alpha
the lead.
llama. What are you doing to the alpha
I'm
llama?
gonna leash the alpha llama. Come on, alpha llama. Alpha llama. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Alpha llama.
You forgot the rest of their tribe.
No.
Look.
You-
There's one stuck in.
You did this. You did
forgot
this.
one of their tribe.
You did this. Just stop it. I'm gonna post this for a
There
while.
is a lot of llamas in the redstone, you know.
Stop it. So,
And remember, do not kill a llama.
I hate you for this. Okay, so now we're gonna make,
There's a llama in a hole.
Yo, stop it. I don't like any llamas. So, yeah. Stop it. Yeah, so this is your dropper. Okay, sorry guys. It's already 13 minutes. Why? My gosh. You llama, you stay there. You stay there, llama.
I'm gonna sleep now.
I think this is animal cruelty. Don't screw me for this, YouTube.
I am.
Don't. So this works perfectly. So yeah, I'm just gonna rename them all.
Let me.
So yeah, I already named them all. I put numbers on them, so it will totally work. Okay, so yeah, time, day. Okay, so this will work now. So what you do is, you click the button and then, oh, how much is this? Oh, how much is this? You got 1 and 2. Oh no, this won't work. You still got, you ain't got.
Set the time to 73,000.
Oh, we all know that you set the time to 73,000, and you disturbed my sleep also.
Stop it. Just stop it. You need some help. Okay, guys.
You're now
So,
making dead memes alive again.
I forgot to put that. Why is it freaking raining? Okay, so yeah. So basically, so for example, we need leather here. It will give you leather because yeah. So yeah, you got to, if you want to repeat that. So there we go. So I gotta press 1, 2, 3. So it gives you leather. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure subscribe and like the video. And if you want to design this more, because we're running out of time. I mean I'm running out of time. No one would watch this because I'm stupid. If you, yeah. So yeah, guys, if you want to know what are all of their barricades, what are these barricades? We need to get 25 likes for this. And yeah, see you.
Hashtag 25 likes.
We need 25 likes. So good. Bye. Hashtag did not copy the anti-DM.